person you call whenever you feeling inside out. It's okay, cause baby, you ain't gotta cry now.
Y'all, in this video, my hair gonna be looking crazy, but it's alright though. Promise I don't look like this on a daily. Do my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, wow, I can't even see, like, oh. Mirror. So I'm gonna figure out how they do this, how they use their mirror, and I think I already figured it out, girl. I think I already figured it out. First, before I go in with the pink, I'm gonna add more concealer. So it's looking like right now. And on top of this, I'm gonna put some pink on top of that. So I'm going in. That's the purple I use right there. That's the purple. That's the pink I'm about to use. Know the names to these. I'm just gonna show y'all what they look like that I'm about to use. I should have used this on the other eye when I got to the cut crease area too. Wait. Brown color. I think I'm gonna use that brown right there or that one. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this brown right here. And then I'm going over it with like the glitter brown. Now we gonna get to it. We gonna get it working. I think I'm gonna actually do my contour right now. Contour stick. I'm gonna do a white highlighter in the corner of my eyes. Now let's add that white highlight. This is what it's looking like now.